man, you know, because Banana is my man. But Chips and Banana like each other. And every time me and Banana have a problem, Banana link Chips. So me link Plantain. So when Banana put me out, me have to go live with Chips. Me can't bother. This frustrating. My brain start hurt me. Me attack and my head hurt me. Me not ask me attack.
But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl dear.
So, listen. I was planning to tell you guys one story. But then me fast forward and say, look here. Let me tell them another story. So, if you don't want to hear the first story, I actually plan to tell you, no, say story time. Spam up the comment section with story time. If you don't want to hear the actual story, what I plan to tell you, no. People, look here. This is a story I don't normal. This is a story I can't nice. The title is, When I Found Out I Was the Side Chick. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, guys. So, let me just go straight into it. So, I'm going to call them Banana and Chips. Yes. Banana is my ex-boyfriend. And Chips is the girl, when me did feel say, was the side chick. Not knowing I was his side chick. Ladies, let me tell you something. Niggas can be so convincing sometimes. You, me, and you know, say you got a Victoria's Secret, go buy a panty. And you know it's a Victoria's Secret panty Avan. But him convince you see Avan a Calvin Klein brief and you believe him. That is how convincing niggas can be. Now let me tell y'all this. I don't care who wants to watch this story and say, oh, she's exaggerating or oh, it's not true. Oh, let me tell you something. A long time it happened. And certain little details, I go slip my brain. Yeah. A long time it happened. So certain little details, I go slip my brain. So, and you know, talk it, I say it go. Argument done. I don't talk. And you know, talk it, I say it go. Now, Banana and Chips. I'm going to tell you all the story. God, that story, yeah, it's not really long, but it's interesting. I can go to the joke. So, after Banana take my virginity and everything, you know. Yes. A Banana take my virginity, so I know say a serious type of relationship me I tell you about. I don't know monkey relationship, I don't know picnic relationship. A big relationship me I tell you about ring and marriage and one heap of something. Yeah. Banana go out with himself in my nice clean good belly. Girl. Let me drink some of this because I'm telling you, I can't tell this story as well. I'm love. I have to drink some. Give me a minute. I'm going to sip out of the cup. Yeah. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to boom now, right? Me and Banana there for a very long while because he took my virginity. We go to school together. Everybody knows about us. Like, we were the power couple. Everybody knew about us. We had Facebook accounts. Like, it was one account. We shared it. Our passwords were the same. Our phone numbers, like, same phone number. Us were using the same phone. But at one point, we kind of realized the same phone thing kind of too complicated in the sense if he wants to go on the road, like, he wants to bring the phone with him. So I'm going to be home without a phone to talk to him for so long. And it just literally got on both of our nerves and we couldn't deal with it. So we got some boom and him go with the phone and me that one by myself, or when me go with the phone, him that one by himself, and then we just realize that it's just too much and none of us cannot deal with it. So we tell ourselves say we are gonna get different phones. So guys, we get different phones. If you don't know what a phone look like, get different phones, people. I'm gonna tell you the joke. Our numbers were the same because we got our SIMs at the same time. So our numbers were literally like 2 digits or 3 digits off. Yeah, that's how the numbers were. So anyways now, people, me know they want my business because me and my boyfriend got the same school. Me and him live together because be mindful. I had already told my virginity story. It's on my page. It's on my page. So go down and watch my virginity story. Thank you. Watch my virginity story. Subscribe to my channel. Listen, if you're not subscribed yet, stop right now. Subscribe. Come back. I'm giving you time. I am giving you time. I'm giving you time. Go subscribe and get back right here. Because it's finna be lit. No! After how, me and the boy get same number. Listen to me, I'm going to say a serious relationship. I don't can't believe so with it. Up to this point, I'm honestly shocked that our relationship did not work out because we were a power couple. Like, we were so good with each other, but I don't know what happened, but something happened down the line, and we couldn't work, we never work, and we don't work. Right now, like, we're not even friends. Yeah. So back to the story, people. My draw with too much. Anyways, I'm gonna say bam. And me and the boy, we end up switching now. So he my phone, me have my phone. So it's like no one day I'm at school. This story is a full-blown real story, guys. It's 100% real. When I went to him at the auditorium, he was texting, like he was getting a lot of messages, like his phone was just blowing up for no reason. I was wondering, like, why you getting so much notifications? Like, I'm sitting right here, nobody ain't supposed to be messaging you like that. So him did kind of calm it down. He was like, babe, like, I mean, we have our separate phones because we want to be able to communicate with other people. So, I mean, why are you finding it such a big of a problem now that people are messaging me? No, me the jealous mad. Me the one jealous mad person. Me the jealous and mad. And banana never ramp. Banana cute, bad. Nice. When me say banana nice, slippery and wet, me mean banana nice, slippery and wet. Yeah, I know banana dry up and not go with nothing. Yeah, banana that me say. Me say it. So yes, back to the story. My earth for banana, me not lie. So me no go so boom with my nice, clean, good self. Feel like say, yeah, me find good man and something girl. But me in a relationship, we'll settle down and everything me love. Live with boy and everything me love. Cause remember, boy take my virginity and make me get thrown to my house. Yeah! Me I tell you, girl. Boy, take my virginity and make my people them keep me out of my house and something lady. Yeah, girl. Trust me, I know me still hurts. Me feel cross. Yeah, banana, me don't like you. I don't like you, banana. Honestly speaking. I don't like you. I don't like you like how I don't like that hairstyle, yeah. So I'm gonna stop boom now. And oh, I don't like it because it get old. Don't bright. So now, I'm gonna stop boom now. And banana come and banana text. And I say, banana, oh yeah, text though. So it's like I see Chips, like a message coming from Chips she. So I'm gonna say, boom, now me I say, Chips. Oh, Chips I text my man for this no look right. Because me know me and the boy live together, girl. My people then put me out and me and the boy live together. So imagine, if me and him left, where am I gonna go? Mama. When me I go with my little self, when me and Chips, when me and banana left because of Chips, can't make that happen, don't it? I cannot make that happen if I defend my property now because banana is mine. So Chips, like it or not, you're gonna get fried. So me now go sub boom. And me and banana catch up in a one argument over the Chips. So me now with my brave self, not do nothing but go in a banana phone, because remember me a banana password and everything, girl. Me a wife we say. So me done gonna banana phone long time, and this is why me no go back from them days there until now. I don't search man phone. I don't business who you want to be, where you want to come from, how much me love you, me love. Me not search your phone. Me not searching it. I give me search banana phone, good, nice and clean, my love. Me take up banana phone and search that. Me make sure I send Chips a message and I say hello. Banana is involved. And I am not finna share him, he's not yours. Me and banana live together and you not gonna come make banana show me out. It's not gonna work. So anyways, Chips now I show me say no girl, like I have my boyfriend and I see the boy a Christian and the boy cute and nice. And the boy tell me say want me or something. Hello. Chips and banana don't do them little thing long time, my love. Chips and banana done mash works and everything, and then Chips lying on my face now. Chips are gonna tell me, say, she and banana never do nothing, my love. Yeah, girl, me I tell you, me say, Chips say say she and Banana don't do nothing, my love. She have her man or something. So me now put on my gun and say, oh, well, I just sweat go. Girl, make her go to the sweetest part of the story. You not hear the sweet part yet. Don't laugh. Me know say you laugh. You a laugh. Me not ask Christ. You laugh. But you not hear the sweetest part of the story yet. The sweetest part of the story is coming. Buckle up, my love. Go drink something. Remember, subscribe. No, but Sister Chips, she, you know, feel like that she could have did friend me up, even though she did friend me up in at the end still. But Sister Chips feel like that she could have did friend me. And when she friend me, she could have did take Banana for herself. So she didn't want to friend me, so she and Banana can go and do them thing around the quiet. And nobody don't know. Father Jesus, I humbly come to you tonight because them people are sample. Sorry about that, guys. Back to the story. So Chips now, she wanted to be my friend. Not me with my big old idiot heart and my big old idiot ego and my big old idiot self and everything but me big and idiot and full and stuff. Fall for Chips trap, my love. Yes! The fall for Chips trap. Can you believe that? Me did actually believe that Chips did actually want a friend. In which, don't get it twisted, she's still my friend today. In the long run, we were best of friends. Like, we were best of friends. And I'm gonna get to that part. But at the beginning, Chips never want a friend. Chips did want my man. Yeah. So I'm gonna say, boom, now, my love. And I realize that Chips and my man still are growing. Them little chatting and something. And me get aggravated. Because I say, Chips, look here, I don't like your carry on. Chips, me not like your carry on, Chips. I don't like your carry on. It's either me or your friend, or you just got to leave Banana alone completely. Anyways, my love, my finance the Chips and Banana still text or something. Every time me and Banana in an argument, I him and Chips. Yes! Every time me and Banana in a one little argument, Banana have to find Chips. And Chips are comfort him and something, my love. Little me never know so Banana and Chips I do them little. I never know. Me never know. Never know. So Banana Chips I go, me never know. See if I did know. More the fighter. Don't get me twisted, I'm more to fight him, but me don't just load them, make them do them thing. So anyways now, me and Banana fall out like big fall out, my love, like left fall out. Me never remember what it happened down the line. Banana make me know say me and him done, my love. Yes, we done. Girl, Banana asked me to move out. Yes, Banana said me have to move out. Oh, wait. The reason why Banana said me have to move out too is because he was flirting a lot and I got frustrated and I told myself, you're flirting, I'm going to flirt too. So he saw messages in my phone with a boy called Plantain. Yeah. So Banana now see me at text Plantain because he might text Chips. Right? So when me start text Plantain now, Banana get vexed. Tell me say me and him left. Me get vexed. I'm moving with Chips. Yes, my love. A Chips take me in. Can you believe it? After me and Banana break up, be mindful, you know, me and my father them never talk, so me didn't go down in my yard because me ring for a long time and me never go there. So, me now did I forgo at somebody else's yard. Guess who for yard this gonna end up? Chips. And a Chips make me ganga. A Chips make me a flirt with man, you know, because Banana is my man. But Chips and Banana like each other. And every time me and Banana in a problem, Banana link Chips. So me link Plantain. So when Banana put me out, me have to go live with Chips. Me can't bother. This frustrating. My brain start hurt me. Me a talk and my head that hurt me. Me not ask. Me a talk and my head that hurt me. Me not ask Jesus. Yeah, girl. Tell your mama. So I'm going to live with Chips now and something. I'm not lie to you. You see, Chips, our family nice. That's the truth. Chips family nice, bad. Chips is a very nice person. Chips love Chips bad. Chips is a very nice girl. Me not regret the day when me and her turned friend. Me not regret the day when me move in with her because she's a very nice girl. Let me tell you something what you don't understand. The moral of my story is not even to tell you guys about when I found out I was a side chick, because when me found out me that a side chick, I literally like turned a no chick, if I so to call it. Me and the boy did end up left for a very long time until Chips same one convinced me, say, listen, you love him and him love you, because the whole time I'm there at Chips yard, honestly speaking, right here, so I honestly got to know her and I knew the person that she was and I got to know her boyfriend. She actually was probably infatuated by Banana at the time. because fear boyfriend Bun, yeah, fear boyfriend named Bun. Fear boyfriend Bun really love her. They have a beautiful family right now, and they are happy together. They are very happy. Okay, so yeah, people. As I was saying, Chips was a very nice girl. I really like her. I like her a lot. I love her to this day because she's one of my best friends right now, and I met her through my ex-boyfriend. That's why I met her. Because if him and her never like each other, I wouldn't meet her. And I would not have such an amazing friend in her right now if it wasn't for him. So them say every situation that you go through in life, if you build you and make you into a better person, I strongly believe in that statement. Because the downfall that I went through with my nigga at that point in time, that's the reason why I had gotten such a good friend from such a bad situation. So sometimes when things happen to in our life, ladies, we have to learn to stand. Like, we have to learn for who we're grown and stand up and know ourselves. Because at the end of the day, like, we can't make niggas feel like they're more than we. We can't make niggas feel like us females don't know how to work things out. And that is basically what happened when I found out that I was the side chick. Well, I wasn't really the side chick, but I was a side chick. Cause if it's both of us, one of us is the side chick. And the fact that I'm living with you and you still feel like I go to road go there with somebody else, it means that in your mind I am the side chick. Yeah, or I'm probably no chick at all, because the fact that you get up and say, okay, well, it's time for me to cheat means that the wife that you had me as in your head is no longer there. So, ladies, get that out on a tiny little brain. Please and thanks. Get it out on a tiny little brain. Yeah, I said what I said. Guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please remember to watch till the end. Subscribe. I love you guys so much. Let's have a drink. Cheers. To all the side wife them we feel like them a real wife and side chick I go come in and just swoop on the man off on the feet. I'm sorry. Y'all need like divine intervention from Jesus, not me. I can't give it to you. But I love you guys though. I really love and appreciate you guys. The love that you guys have been showing me, I really love it. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on my video. If you guys want more real-time stories, comment real-time stories. Spam up the comment section with real-time stories and tell me like what kind of story you want to hear, and I'll bring them to you. Cause what heap of things I'm got in a life now, so me enough story for telling you know. But you have to tell me if you don't want to hear them. Cause I don't want to come here, come talk, and then at the end of the day, I'm not talk for nothing. Yeah. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.